lose you.
Too late, honey.
It makes me
Okay,
sad.
kids. Let's take 10 and then we start the second act run through. That was great.
I wasn't flat.
Not at all. I got such a fucking headache. We got any Motrin?
I got some generic shit in my bag. Sarah?
Don't tell me you have come to beg forgiveness, ask me to marry you, and we will run off and live happily ever after.
Look, I basically came by just to say that I'm sorry and to tell you something.
Okay.
Sarah, you are such a great girl.
I know.
And the reason that I broke up with you is it wasn't... I'm gay.
I know.
You know.
Most people do.
Oh, God.
It's okay. You're tied. Okay. Look, so we can't run off together, have wild sex, and get married. Whatever. But you know what really hurt me is that you just dismissed me from your life. And you have to understand, if someone loves you, Ty, they're not going to toss you out just because you're gay. Because of who you are.
So sorry.
You don't have to be. It's okay. I've wandered far away from God. Now I'm coming home. The paths of sin too long I've trod. Lord, I'm coming home. I've wasted many precious years. Now I'm coming home. But I repent with bitter tears. Lord, I'm coming home. Coming home, yeah. I'm coming home. Never more to roam. Open wide thine arms of love. Lord, I'm coming home. Coming home, yeah. I'm coming home. Never more to roam. Open wide thine arms of love. Lord, I'm coming home. Coming home. Yeah, I'm coming home. Never more to roam. Open wide thine arms of love. Lord, I'm coming home.
Smoking, all right.
Hey, I guess you don't mind if I smoke. It just wasn't the right time to quit with you dying and all. I only lasted 3 days. I failed again. But after 5 husbands, what else is new? It has not been a good day, sister. And I am blaming you. I am. I can't help it. Now, you know that I am not one to judge. And quite frankly, I was glad that you cut loose and had some fun towards the end. But I wish you had been more careful. I mean, you turn on a light when you get up to go to the bathroom. Especially in a strange motel room. If you are gonna have affairs, you have got to be more careful. Of course, this is useless information for you now. Why the hell am I wasting my breath? Jesus called, Peggy answered. Oh. Oh, God. You look real good. I loved you, sister. I did. I do. Suzanne! Oh! Lord, Latrell, don't you have better sense than to yell at somebody when they're talking to a corner? Is that a situation?
Mama's funeral starts in 30 minutes and Lavonda is in jail.
In jail? What on earth for?
She and Lolita Nethercott held up Tiny's liquor store, and they are both in jail. Juanita Bartlett drove the getaway car. She's in jail, too.
Oh, my Lord.
Now, I need you to get down there and bail her out. $900 cash. I had to go to the bank. Now, go on.
Okay.
Ah! Wait, come back! Hurry! You gotta help me get off this stone.
Oh.
Get on! Honey, we need the moon.
Hey,
Go the way it should.
hey!
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait! Take the stone. Go in the trunk of your car. Go! Hurry! I'm hurrying! How are you? Quit that screaming right now, GW.
I'm gonna burn up my legs!
Have some respect.
Burn the son of a bitch up!
And quit using such vulgar language in the church house.
Oh,
Now, you are drunk. I want you out of here. Now go on. I have no use for you. You understand?
Who the hell are you?
I'm Latrell. Peggy's good girl.
Oh, the tight ass. Firewood, and don't you tell me I'm not, because I am. I'm gonna douse him with lighter fluid. And line him up in front of God and Peggy so she can witness it and see how sorry I am.
She can't witness anything, GW, because she's dead.
I know she's dead. That's all account of these sorry-ass legs of mine.
Suzanne!
Baby,
Suzanne!
I'm gonna do it for you, Peg. Right now. You see? Yes, yeah.
No!
Oh, yeah.
No!
Oh, yeah.
Today has been hard enough.
Damn
Now
child.
go on, get.
Childproof lighters.
Go on, get. I'll need it now.
Okay, I'll get it. But first, I'm gonna say something to